Investing in penny stocks on Robinhood involves a few steps, but it's important to note that trading penny stocks can be risky due to their volatility. Here's a guide. Research penny stocks. Research and analyze penny stocks you're interested in. Consider their financial health, news, industry trends, and historical performance. Funding your account. Deposit funds into your Robinhood account. Make sure you have enough capital to invest in penny stocks. Search for stocks. Use the app to search for the penny stocks you've researched. You can find them by their ticker symbols. Placing orders. Choose between market orders or limit orders. Watch lists. Create watch lists of the penny stocks you're tracking. This helps you keep an eye on their price movements. Trading. When you're ready, use the app to place your buy order for the desired penny stock. Make sure to review your order before confirming. Risk management. Penny stocks can be highly volatile, so consider setting stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. Stay informed. Keep up with the news, financial reports, and market trends that could impact your penny stocks. Diversification. Don't put all your funds into penny stocks. Diversify your investments to manage risk. Long-term approach. While some traders seek short-term gains, a long-term approach might be more prudent when investing in penny stocks.